back to my officer today, hoping to get the exhaust on. Not hoping to, I'm going to get the exhaust on. Okay, so she's coming along. This is only, I'm going to tighten down. Let's get the exhaust on. It is sweltering here in Spain, and this has got to happen because I'm very busy for the next week or so. So I want my bike almost back together. We're so close now. Let's go for the last hurdle. Exhaust, tail light. Can't do tail light today. Got to make a bracket up and side panels. Let's go. Well, I'll be around this side for a little bit. You'll be able to see me from here. Let's get to it. We have the one of those to go in one of those. Okay, that's just a gasket. You've got a good rice, double grease just to hold it in place. Oh no, getting messy again. DEBS always getting messy. I don't want to get messy. Okay. Does that constitute a dog or do we need it more? Okay. In she goes. Seems to be located. Put the grease holder in place. Now obviously I've got nothing to wipe it on. There we go. Job done. Probably still loading up later. Rub it in. Trip over. Wow, this was really hard to get the exhaust off because this the clamp ring was absolutely knackered. So I had to buy a new one. So that arrived a couple of weeks ago. Put it on. Okay. Making sure not to cross thread it because that would be a pain in the arse. Maybe do it up this. Oh, well that's not held it, has it? Not enough of the double grease. Right. Now, more grease needed. Obviously the dog wasn't big enough. Bigger dog needed. Let's just go for the pinky. Instead of getting it all over the place, which I know I'm going to get it all over the place. Right. Is that a dog? Let's hope that's a dog. Put that in there. Stick. Oh dear, now cutting it. Now it's going to be a wipe it on the t-shirt job. Good job it's me that does the washing, isn't it? Right. Put this down bike on. Gently does it. Gently does it. And cross thread it. Could do with a C-spanner, but I haven't got one. But I have got a friend who's got one, so it's just going to be a lightly do up your hands job. Until later. I need a bit more grip now, covered in grease. What's in the cupboard? You know the plan to get everything ready, and the plan to get everything ready always goes to pot, and it can be on the other side of the room. Gonna get caught. This end anyway. So, this is rebuilding again. There is a sense of achievement though, having the exhaust on. There's a couple of little scrapes on it, but nothing that this paint won't fix. Fix. Is that nice and tight? Okay, it's nice and tight. We've also got a nut for the back of the a nut for the back. Here there's a locating thingy. That's around somewhere. Those are that. Here it is. Here it is. Standing up. Going back. Let's put that on before it slips off. Tighten that up. Also going to put the shock. Let's get messy. And put the shock absorber back on as well. Tighten her up. This goes on here. It actually came on surprisingly easy. I guarantee it won't go back on easy. Right, let's get this on. Let's get the shock absorber back on. You'll wash it. Right. Shock absorber nice and tight. exhausting up nice and tight. And yeah, it will be. That's that bit. Got to tighten up the ring at the front. I said friends bring around a C-spanner, tighten that, so I'm moving now, got it on. That's tight. Right, put the rest of the exhaust back on. Oh. There she's on. There's a spring that holds her on. I'm thinking it's this way, but I could possibly get it wrong. Actually, I think it might be this way. I'm going to check out the photo and see which way round the spring was. So now we can put the carburettor back on. Right, back to the carburettor again. I loosened off the Jubilee clip, so push it in there, that's it. Tighten up the Jubilee clip. Oh, it's going to be fun getting that airbox back on again. That was a bit of a nightmare last time. That's that bit. I'm guessing now the exhaust is on, I've got to tighten the C-spanner, the downpipe. Right, I'm going for the airbox. Go for the airbox. This time it's gone on easy. Phew! And nut in. Get the bolt in. Still the nut in, get the bolt in. See, on some grubby monsters have their fingers all over the tank. That'll be me. Right. freshly sprayed side panels. Not brilliant, but there you go. Oh, she does look pretty. Oh my god, what am I going to do when my project's finished? Oh, I'm going to have to get another project. This is a little tool compartment for the osser. Grubby little mix on there. Right. Sides. Well, that's it for the day. I could put the mud guard back on, but sod's law is if I put the mud guard back on, I've still got to fit the rear light, which is going to make a bracket. I'm going to have to take it off again. So I'm not going to put the mud guard back on. Otherwise I'll be putting it back on and taking it off again, which is the usual way it goes for me.